Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize AWS CloudFront for SEO performance and caching, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Once logged in, navigate to the CloudFront service. Click on Create Distribution to begin setting up a new distribution. Choose the web option for the type of distribution. In the origin settings, select your origin domain name where your content is hosted. Next, under Viewer Protocol Policy, choose Redirect HTTP to HTTPS to enhance security. Set the cache policy to a value that enables optimized caching for SEO performance. Consider selecting a custom cache policy if default options do not meet your needs. For cookies, select all or none based on your specific needs for caching behavior. In the query string parameters, choose whether to forward all or specific query strings to control your caching. Move to the default root object field and input your homepage file, such as index.html. For SEO, enable compress objects automatically to help improve loading times. Review the distribution settings and ensure that your settings align with your caching and SEO requirements. Click Create Distribution and wait for the distribution status to change to deployed. Once deployed, you'll receive a CloudFront domain name. Update your DNS settings to point to the CloudFront distribution for optimized content delivery. Monitor the performance metrics provided by CloudFront to assess caching effectiveness. Regularly adjust cache settings based on user behavior and content updates to maintain optimal SEO performance. Consider implementing versioning for your assets to control cache expiration efficiently. Be sure to test your site after setting up CloudFront to confirm everything is functioning as expected. Finally, revisit your settings periodically to ensure they align with evolving SEO practices and website changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.